Machine and equipment builders face challenges beyond the successful design of factory equipment. In order to beat the competition, they need to create compelling sales proposals that clearly articulate how their equipment or machine line layouts will successfully interface with their customer's facility. With Autodesk Factory Design Suite, you can take advantage of cloud-based factory asset resources and more efficient factory asset creation workflows to win more business. Factory Design Suite includes AutoCAD and Autodesk Inventor software, enhanced with exclusive factory-specific functionality, so you can design, visualize, and simulate your equipment in context of your customer's facility. The asset creation process in Factory Design Suite allows the machine builder to establish a landing surface, connection points, and any necessary parametric values, making it easy to resize and edit each model based on your layout requirements. Autodesk Factory Design Suite can utilize data from most CAD systems, so you can even include models from suppliers in your layout regardless of CAD format, shrink wrapping and stripping them of any unwanted details. Factory assets can be published and shared with anyone using the Factory Design Suite. The asset can be published for local use or published to the cloud, where the author has the option to share it with the entire factory design community. The Factory Design Suite allows machine builders to place their machine design in the hands of any engineering service provider, manufacturer, or factory owner as an asset of the Autodesk Factory Design Suite. The assets can also be utilized by sales staff, allowing them to demonstrate and highlight the machines they sell in context with the customer's factory line, and clearly articulate the design intent with photorealistic renderings and animations that show the customer how your solution is the best fit for their needs. It's easy to see how the Autodesk Factory Design Suite provides machine builders a faster and easier method to create accurate digital models of their equipment in context of their customer's factory layout. Develop factory assets that can be publicized to the entire factory design community, and develop convincing interactive 3D marketing collateral that accurately conveys design intent to help win more bids.